Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this video lecture in which we are discussing about the one of the subject that is machining process. Okay, so this is basically the second video. In the first video, we discussed about the previously whatever the syllabus that we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. Okay, so from this lecture, we are starting our first unit. Okay. Okay, so we are discussing about the machining process, and in this lecture, we'll discuss about the men's material welfare and introduction to the manufacturing technology. Okay, so this is the content of this video. We'll discuss about this manufacturing needs and the concept, or in other words, we can define this MMW, and about the manufacturing technology. So first, we are starting with this manufacturing needs. That why there is a need to study the not only the machining process but the manufacturing technology. Okay, in which we can include the casting and forming, shaping, rolling, everything, and the metal cutting as well along with that. Okay, so first we'll discuss the concept and what needs and what is the concept behind that in the combination. Okay, so whatever we are using today, okay, whether we are talking about the mobile phone, pen, laptops, whatever it is, okay, our clothes, everything, that is basically formed through the whatever available in the nature. Okay, from that we are adopting that concept basically. But there is a limitations that we cannot use these natural resources whatever available in the nature. We cannot use it directly. Okay, so indirectly we are making something according to the requirement of human. Okay, so like there are three things which I want to be discussed with you here. That first is the natural resources. Natural resources. Okay. Second is the human effort. Okay, and last is the tools. Okay, now whatever the what are the human resources which is available? Okay, simply we can define air. Okay, water. Okay, liquid and solid minerals. Solid and liquid minerals. Okay, apart from that, the coal we can say, because coal, like if we talk about the coal, then whatever the electricity that we are getting today, okay, that is due to the burning of coal. Indirectly means के आपका जो coal है, like we cannot use it anywhere except the burning. Okay, so we are burning that one, and through with the help of the water we are making the steam, and we are using that steam to the steam power plants. So in the nature the coal is available, but we are using that one and we are getting the electricity from that. Okay, similarly the solid and the liquid minerals. Apart from this plants we can say. Okay, so there are number of things which is available in the nature, so we are calling it as a natural resources. Now human effort, come to the human effort. So human effort, a human can do two types of efforts. First is like if first we are thinking that there is a coal is available, and we have to use it, we will burn it, and then through this burning we'll boil the water, and that will make the steam, and that steam will transfer to the with a very high velocity to the rotor or turbine blades, and through that turbine blades will get the rotational high rotation, and that rotation is using the generator. We are converting the electricity. So whatever we are thinking, that is basically our mental effort. From that only we have converted that one. Okay, next one is the like whatever the labor is required for that, because digging the coal and bringing it out, reaching to the plant, then machines or through the men's physical effort, they are picking it to the wherever we have to burn it. Okay, so if we're talking about the human effort, then we can use the physical effort, physical and mental effort. Okay, there are two ways through which human effort can be used. Now next is the plant. Now tools, basically tools are like how where we are using this coal and through which we are directly getting this electricity. Okay, when where we are using the chemicals, from that we are getting the these our clothes or whatever, the bed sheet and all these things. Okay, what we are doing, like cement. Okay, what how the cement is we are getting. Okay, from the crushing of the stones, mixing with the clay, and we are getting the cements, we are building the infrastructures. Okay, so this is basically the plants. Okay, plants, tools basically. Okay, so whatever the plants, whether it's a power plant, whether it's a textile industry, whether it's a chemical industry, whatever it is available, we are calling it as a plants. Okay, through which basically we are directly getting whatever the requirement of us. Okay, indirectly what I'm saying, what I want to say is, like whatever the things which is available in the nature, through the human effort we are using it and we are converting it into the requirement. Okay, so there is a formula for that with these three terms, that is natural resources, human effort, and the tools. Okay, we define it, if we are jointly using these three terms, then we define it as a men's material welfare, that is mmw, and that is equals to natural resources into human efforts raised to tools. Okay, so this is basically the formula. So we are using all three in such a way, like natural resources, human effort, and the tools, through which we can define the manufacturing needs, as well as through this basically the concept which fulfill the requirement of the human civilization. Okay, or the human being, we can say. Okay, so what will be the definition of this men's material welfare is, I have studied, so that's, I'm not changing that one, that definition. Okay, so what is the definition is that the progress and prosperity of human civilization is governed and judged mainly by improvement and maintenance of standard of living through the availability or production of quality goods and service for the man's material welfare. What is the meaning of this? Like progress and the prosperity, because we always want that we हमारी जो life है, like उसमें continuously we should gain something. Okay, the day by day the things is changing, so that is basically the progress. If we talk about the 1980s or before that, there were cellular phone or mobile phones were not available, but suddenly within this 40-50 years has been the era has changed, and we have progressed a lot. Okay, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि पहले 40-50 साल पहले जो मटेरियल जो आज मोबाइल फोन में यूज हो रहा है वो पहले नहीं हो, पहले अवेलेबल नहीं था, वो पहले अवेलेबल था, बट with the requirements. Okay, with the innovations we have done, like we have reached up to that, we are continuously progressing and giving a prosperity to the human life. Okay, now how it can be judged, because अगर आपने एक बार फोन बना लिया तो क्या आपको दोबारा बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है? No, that is basically judged and governed and judged mainly by the improvement होना बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, वट एवर, लाइक अगर हम 2000 की बात करें तो दैट टाइम एंड्रॉइड फोन और विंडोज फोन वर नॉट अवेलेबल, ओनली कीपैड फोन वर यूज्ड. ओके, बट नाउ within this 10 or 15 year we have reached to the touchpad phone. Okay, and that is again available in the whatever the requirements. Okay, and day by day is increasing, and this improvement is very very necessary. Either it should be improvement, or it should provide the maintenance or improvement to what? The standard of living. Okay, and how this standard of living can be judged? Through the availability. अगर कोई चीज अवेलेबल है तो आप उसको यूज करो, अगर अवेलेबल नहीं है देन उसका आप प्रोडक्शन करो. ओके, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द क्वालिटी गुड्स. अगर आप उसका प्रोडक्शन कर चुके हो एंड अवेलेबल है, तो अगर फिर भी आप उस चीज का यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हो, इट मींस यू नीड द सर्विस. So the and the service of that. Okay, so this is basically defined the men's material welfare. So this is a overall definition of the manufacturing needs, as well as that whatever the formula that we have discussed in the last slide, that is define the, through which we define the concept of this men's material welfare. Okay, so let's move to the next one, about the introduction of manufacturing and technology. So manufacturing technology, which is refers the science and technology of manufacturing product effectively, efficiently, economically, and environment friendly. This is like okay. This is like आपको initially we have some input. Okay, here we are getting some output. Okay, now in between, here in manufacturing, from the manufacturing technology point of view, the input is basically the raw material. Okay, whatever the raw material that is available to us, we are just giving it, and at the end we are getting the finished product. Okay, the output will be the whatever the requirements. Okay, so in between we are applying different processes, whether it's a machining, whether it's a casting, shaping, forming, whatever it is, that is coming under the manufacturing technology. Okay, that is empty. So now this manufacturing technology, so whatever the process that we are applying over here, that should be efficiently, that should work efficiently. Okay, that should work economically, that should work effectively, and that also should work and as per the requirement, because day by day the uh, pollution is also increasing, so that should be environment friendly. Okay, and these work, all E has to be fulfilled by the fifth E, which is the engineers. Okay, so this, whatever the process, whatever the input, that raw material we have, we are taking as an input, and whatever the process as per the requirement, because it depends what the finished product is. Okay, so as per the requirement we are using the process efficiently, economically, effectively, and environment friendly, and we are getting the finished product. Okay, so this is the basic definition of the manufacturing technology. Now we are moving towards the classification of this manufacturing technology. So initially we have this manufacturing technology. Okay, now this manufacturing technology can be divided into three ways. First is shaping and the forming process. Shaping and the forming. Okay, next is the joining process. Okay, and third one is basically the metal cutting or machining, we can say. Now, shaping and forming, in which basically whatever the material is available to us. Okay, for an example, this pen is available to me, and this is of plastic. Okay, so मैं इसको थोड़ा सा हीट करके, बिकॉज इफ आई विल लाइक मैं इसको स्ट्रेच करूंगा, देन दैट टाइम इसकी अभी इस पोजीशन में, जब भी इस कंडीशन में है, दैट अभी मैं अगर इसको स्ट्रेच करूंगा तो देयर मे बी ए चांसेस ऑफ ब्रेकेज. ओके, ये क्योंकि प्लास्टिक है, ब्रिटल मटेरियल है. बट अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा हीट कर देता हूँ, दैट टाइम आई विल स्ट्रेच. ओके, तो उसमें चेंजेस पॉसिबल है. ठीक है, जो भी जिस भी तरह का प्लास्टिक होगा, तो इसमें चेंजेस पॉसिबल है. बट लेंथ अगर इंक्रीज होगी तो डायमीटर कम होगा. दिस इज सिंपल कंसेप्ट, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम सेम रहना चाहिए. तो हमने क्या किया बेसिकली, कि हमने इसको पुल किया, वी प्रोवाइड सम टेंशन, एंड द लेंथ हैज इंक्रीज एंड डायमीटर हैज डिक्रीज. अब इफ वी think about the overall volume, then volume did not change. वॉल्यूम चेंज नहीं हुआ. अगर आपका वॉल्यूम चेंज नहीं हुआ है, इट मींस कि जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है, जो भी मटेरियल, अगर वो एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट देयर मे बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि हम लोग उसको हीट अप करके, या फिर कोल्ड फॉर्मिंग करके, या फिर उस पे कुछ फोर्सेस अप्लाई करके हम उसको रिक्वायरमेंट शेप एंड साइज में कन्वर्ट कर सकें. सो दीज थिंग्स विल डिस्कस इन द शेपिंग एंड द फॉर्मिंग पार्ट. Okay, now, so means their shaping in the forming part, it means that there will be no change in material, or volume also we can write. Okay, now अब शेप चेंज हो सकती है, तो वो मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, बट मटेरियल विल नॉट चेंज. ओके, नाउ जॉइनिंग, जब भी हम दो प्लेट्स अगर हम कंसिडर करें, और दोनों प्लेट्स पे जब हम वेल्डिंग करेंगे, तो वेल्डिंग करने से क्या होता है कि जॉइनिंग इज वेल्डिंग इज बेसिकली द प्रोसेस ऑफ जॉइनिंग ओनली. तो जब हम वेल्डिंग करेंगे दोनों प्लेट्स की, लाइक इफ आई एम डूइंग ए शील्डेड मेटल आर्क वेल्डिंग, तो इसमें क्या होता है कि आपका कंज्यूमेबल इलेक्ट्रोड होता है। अब दोनों प्लेट्स की जब मैं वेल्डिंग करूंगा, एंड वेल्डिंग का मतलब क्या होता है, ज्वाइनिंग। तो दोनों के बीच में क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे, विद द पावर सप्लाई में इसको मूव करूंगा टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड। ओके, तो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, कंज्यूमेबल इलेक्ट्रोड है तो कंज्यूम भी होगा, एंड इट विल डिपॉजिट वेयर, ऑन दिस वेल्ड बीट। जो आपका दोनों का बीच का एरिया है जहां पर आपने वेल्ड हुआ है, ठीक है, वहां पर ये जो मटेरियल है, ये इलेक्ट्रोड मटेरियल दैट विल डिपॉजिटेड ओवर देयर। तो नाउ वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट कि आपकी जो पहले जो दोनों प्लेट्स का जितना वेट था या फिर जितना इनका वॉल्यूम था, मतलब वेट कह लीजिए, नाउ वी हैव डिपॉजिटेड समथिंग, सो द वॉल्यूम विल इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, और इट विल बी सेम, it will increase. Okay, so the material here, what we can say is the material, there will be increase in the material, or there will be positive material. Okay, or we can also say that there is a positive process. Okay, we are calling it as there is no change in material. It means basically this is zero process. Okay, zero process with respect to what, material. Okay, positive process with respect to material. Okay, now machining, अगर मान लीजिए कि लाइक मेरे पास इनिशियली ये जो पेन है, मैं इसको लेथ मशीन पे माउंट करके और फिर बनाता हूँ। ओके, जो अकॉर्डिंग टू जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं इसको चेंज करता जाता हूँ। तो इसमें क्या है कि इनिशियली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू चेक कि हाउ मच diameter of this is required। ठीक है, if this diameter is 8 mm और अगर मेरा ये जो है ये 10 mm का है, then what I have to do, I have to remove the material 2 mm। okay, मतलब मैं 1 mm डेप्थ ऑफ कट अगर इनिशिएट करता हूँ, then it will remove 2 mm और in case of the diameter। okay, तो 1 mm की डेप्थ ऑफ कट पे आपका 2 mm रिमूव हो गया, एंड दैट material has been removed in the form of the chips, or just right now just think that that material is removed। अगर वो मटेरियल रिमूव हो चुका है, देन इट विल नेवर कम टू दिस पोजीशन। ओके, जो उसकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन है वो उस पर कभी नहीं आ सकता। हाँ, हम उसको दोबारा इसको मेल्ट करें और वही मटेरियल इसमें डालें तो वो हम कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, बट थ्रू मशीनिंग क्या हुआ, आपका जो मटेरियल था वो इससे रिमूव हो गया। ओके, तो जो मटेरियल है दैट हैज बीन रिमूव्ड, सो वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज अ नेगेटिव प्रोसेस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट, मटेरियल। ओके, तो ये आपका प्रोसेस हो गया। नाउ शेपिंग की अगर हम बात करें, तो वी कैन गो लाइक लिक्विड में हम किसका क्वालिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं, सॉलिड में हम इसका क्लासिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं, इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाउडर भी हम इसका क्लासिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, Now, अगर हम लिक्विड की बात करें तो हम यहाँ पर जो एप्लीकेशन है दैट इज कास्टिंग। जो कास्टिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी है, इन विच बेसिकली वी मेल्ट द मटेरियल एंड वी डिपॉजिट इन द पैटर्न। ओके, जो हमारे पास पैटर्न या सॉरी जो मोल्ड होता है उसमें हम डिपॉजिट करते हैं, देन एट द आफ्टर सम टाइम वंस इट विल बी सॉलिडिफाइड, विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट। ओके, फिनिश प्रोडक्ट। सो दैट इज थ्रू द लिक्विड शेपिंग वी कैन गो थ्रू द कास्टिंग। सॉलिड जो है, सॉलिड में आपके बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स है, लाइक फॉर्मिंग, ओके, रोलिंग, extrusion, okay, etc. And okay, so this is basically the solid solid type of shaping and forming process। okay, पाउडर जो है उसमें आप पाउडर मेटलर्जी कह सकते हैं, जो आपका पाउडर पूरा पाउडर मेटलर्जी होती है, दैट इज कम अंडर दिस कैटेगरी, क्योंकि बिकॉज आपका जो पाउडर है आप उसी में कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करके या फिर उसको हीट अप करके या फिर उसमें जो भी मटेरियल एडिशन करके आप उसको चेंज कर रहे हैं, बट द वॉल्यूम, अगर कोई मटेरियल ऐड कर रहे हैं या फिर पाउडर को ही आप हीट अप करके ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, देन देयर वॉल्यूम वुड नॉट बी चेंज। ओके, वॉल्यूम विल नॉट बी चेंज। नाउ जो ज्वाइनिंग प्रोसेस है आपका, आप सबसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल है इसमें आपका वेल्डिंग। ओके, नाउ वेल्डिंग में अभी हम इसका क्लासिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लिक्विड स्टेट वेल्डिंग, सॉलिड स्टेट वेल्डिंग, सेमी सॉलिड वेल्डिंग। ठीक है, तो ये बहुत सारा टाइप्स है आपका, सेमी सॉलिड एक्सेट्रा। तो इसमें आपका शील्डेड मेटल आर्क वेल्डिंग, रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग, फ्रिक्शन फ्रिक्शन स्टर वेल्डिंग, टिक वेल्डिंग, मिग वेल्डिंग, जितना भी है ये सब कुछ इसमें आ जाएगा वेल्डिंग पोर्शन में। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज द मशीनिंग प्रोसेस। मशीनिंग प्रोसेस हम इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल जो है वो मैं मेटल कटिंग से रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ। लाइक मेटल कटिंग, जहां जहां पे आपका मेटल कटिंग है वहां पे आपका नेगेटिव प्रोसेस है। ठीक है, तो मेटल कटिंग अब किस किस में होती है, जितनी भी मशीनिंग है, लाइक वेदर लेथ, ठीक है, वेदर इट्स अ शेपर, मिलिंग, okay, drilling, whatever it is. तो जितनी भी machines है वो सारी जो example है, that is come under the machining process. Okay, and all these are negative process with respect to the material, in which the material is lost and it will never regain its original position. Okay, so this is all about from my side in this video. So thank you so much, guys.